Have you run out of butter? That's not a problem at all. Making your own will take you about 5 minutes. Pour some heavy cream into a tall, narrow container and start whipping. Of course, you can use a stand mixer if you have one. But if you don't, all you really need is a jar and a bit of strength in your arms to shake it vigorously until the butter comes together. As you whip, the cream will gradually transform into luscious whipped cream. That's when you know you're halfway there. Then, slowly but surely, golden clumps of butter will begin to form. And at that very moment, you need to be extra careful to avoid making a glorious but messy splatter all over your kitchen. Now simply transfer everything onto a sieve and separate the butter from the buttermilk. That fresh buttermilk can be happily sipped on its own or added to a cake for an extra touch of tenderness and flavor. In a separate bowl, add some ice and pour in ice-cold water. Place the butter into this icy bath and begin squeezing out the remaining buttermilk trapped inside. Remember to work quickly and chill the butter frequently in the cold water so it doesn't start melting from the warmth of your hands. Once ready, transfer your homemade butter into a container and store it in the refrigerator. Just be sure to take it out a little while before using it so it can soften to perfect spreadable bliss. That day, I happened to be making focaccia, and let me tell you, with a sprinkle of sea salt, this butter tasted absolutely divine. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.